Good morning. So this is the third day and we going somewhere out the city, out from Helsinki to the north. So no breakfast, no nothing. So and right now it's 9 in the morning. So we will get into some near gas station or somewhere else to stop, and then after that we take the breakfast and move to the north. Yeah, we get out of the city. So, short update of my travel from Helsinki to Norrköp. It's day 3 and we stop at the gas station. We take a break and take a breakfast, like brunch or something, because it's right now 11 o'clock. And we, after I don't know, a few minutes, will go to north side, let's say, and we traveling nearby lakes because we don't want to go into highway. For me it's boring and I want to see more of the countryside. So yeah, I think we have several days, maybe 2 or 3, to get from here to Norrköp, and I want to see the nature of the Finland also. So let's get right. Short update. We drive about 47 kilometers from gas station, and it was one issue with navigation because they mislead us from the point where we want to go, but the direction was in the freeway. But I don't want to go in freeway because it's boring. So we correct that navigation path and we drive side to the countryside. And right now we stopped at the shopping mall to get ice creams because it's Sunday, it's sunny and it's warm, it's hot outside. So yeah, it's great time for ice cream. And right now it's 1 o'clock. Until to get the destination we need to drive 253 kilometers. So yeah, it's a lot road left, but we'll get here someday. On the road update, I stopped on the random place on the street, and here's a beautiful lake and just I don't know, the road, bus and the rocks. Yeah, few minutes for rest my legs, my feet. Now it's 15:22 and left to drive 136 kilometers, so not so much actually. I stopped at the forest, take a lunch, and after the lunch I just walk around the forest path and I found something. I can't believe that I found this because I never thought I could find this. I mean this one. I found this one. This is abandoned car and it's like very rusty. And actually I don't know what the model is of this car. First thought was that it's the ZAZ, it's old Russian car, but because the engine is at the back. But after a little inspection I can say that it isn't, because brake lights is square and not the round, because of the ZAZ is round. So I will check this car to see if I can find any items that could provide me what model and manufacturer is. Okay, I'm happy actually because I always wanted to find a car like this in the woods and so on. So it's the first one. I found on the engine on one part was the Skoda symbol, so I think it could be Skoda. It could be it. I will try to find on internet what model is it. I'm out of the breath, but what the event was, I almost lost the drone because it's extending the battery, starting beeping, but the was very good shot, so I didn't want to cancel it and just stopped, get out of the car and started running because signal was lost. So I ran away on the bridge, on the middle of the bridge, and I got the signal and I get the drone on the last 2 seconds. We found a really nice spot near the lake, so to get in the lake it's very refreshing.